In this video, we are going to talk about nested function. A nested function in Excel is a function that is used as an argument in another function. Simply speaking, nested function allows us to perform multiple calculations in a single entry to get a final result. Generally, a nested formula can have up to 7 levels of nested functions. Here we have a raw data. This is the performance of team A, and this is the performance of team B. We want to find the average value of highest value of team A and team B. If we don't want to apply nested formula, what we need to do? We have to first find the maximum value of these two values, these 5 values of team A. Then we use another maximum function in order to find largest value in this area of this 5 value, and again apply average function to find our final result. Instead of doing 3 different formulas, we will apply a single formula here. Here max function will be nested, and by using average formula we'll get our final result. So what is the function of nested formula? Nested function helps us to use complex calculation in a single cell. It saves time, and it makes complex calculation easy. So it is very useful for students as well as job holders. That's it. Thank you.